Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hope you're having a great day so far. Hey, we're on our way to check out a brand new pool home listing. Hang out with us, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, right here at 3804 Whaler Drive. Nice central location, kind of the top of town. Nice street, nothing junky around. Has some gated side access over here. Doesn't look big enough to get a large vehicle in. Nice circular drive. So this one was just listed $419,900. Nice little front courtyard entry. All right, so this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath pool home built in 1991, 1,505 square feet. Good size, 13,416 square foot lot. Again, it was just listed $419,900. Definitely a little rough around the edges. Has a crack in the Corian countertop. It's got like stainless steel cabinets, kind of unique. It's got a decent little view out of the kitchen window. So you got the master off the kitchen, pretty good size, has a slider out to the backyard pool area. Carpet's pretty roached. It's got a big walk-in closet. Your master bath only has one sink. Big walk-in shower. Got some cabinet storage. So you have bedroom number 2 and the guest bath on the other side of the house, so it is a split floor plan. Linoleum floors. So you have another good sized bedroom. Also has a slider out to the pool area. Walk-in closet. So you have your indoor laundry right off the kitchen and your garage door access. So it has a nice size 2-car garage, 29 feet deep, 7-foot door. Has a access door to the backyard. You have a little utility sink, water softener, hot water. All right, so you have a big full-size patio cover. Has some drywall tape coming apart. Some stucco damage on the wall. Also has a big little side yard over here. So you could probably get a car or something through those gates, but that's probably about it. Looks like they have a new AC unit. Got a lake view off the back here. So it's got a fiberglass pool. It's a pretty good size one. Looks like it has LED lighting. Pool deck's in decent condition. Some concrete cracks could be dealt with. You have your pool equipment over behind the wall. Looks like they have it running up the side to a radiator style heating up top. All right, guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Whaler. It's a little rough around the edges. If you're looking to pick up a handyman type home, this is a possible winner for you. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you can get all the original listing pictures, current price, availability, and all that. If you guys have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video as well. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.